Welcome to SanctifAI Trust, where we prove human participation in AI tasks and workflows. There are two ways you can integrate with Trust. One is a full integration through an API. And if you want to learn more about that, point your agent to the SanctifAI Trust agent skill at the bottom of our website called sanctifai.com/trust. But what I want to talk more about here is the SanctifAI Trust extension that you can find on the Chrome Web Store. Actually, I want to show you how to edit, like any other extension. Add it in, and then you go. Let's go straight to that task that I want to attest to. I have a little insurance verification task here that AI put together for me. I want a human to actually approve that work, and I want to attest to it using SanctifAI Trust. Open the extension straight away. You can pin it, so you always have it here. Open it. The first time you open it, you need to set it up. In order to set it up, you need to give it your user ID that you can enter here in this field, and you need an API key and a tenant ID that you can get from the developer portal, or if you're not the developer yourself, you can ping your own developer. That creates what we call tenants within our portal. Tenants are like a container. It can be a team, it can be a project. It allows you to organize the different attestations that you do within those containers. Then creating API keys is pretty straightforward. And you copy that and you go back to your extension, you enter the API key, the tenant ID you get straight from this dashboard. And then once that's done, you test the connection. That's positive. We save the settings, and then back on the task, we do register. We need to register our PID. So that triggers your web authentication and your passkey, and registers you on that. And then once that's done, you are straight in and can start attesting to whatever tasks you're at. So in this case, let me close this real quick. In this case, we have this task for Pat Garcia here. The URL is automatically taken from the browser. The task ID is pulled either from the URL or from the page itself. You can change that. We can say our task ID actually is from here is A04. Define the task type. So here we're doing a moderation task for insurance. You can add evidence of you doing the work or not. You go ahead, you test again using your passkey through web authentication, and it does create this immutable proof that a human now, or in this case me, has attested to this task. And it does create this proof of human seal or attestation or certification that had your task ID, the user ID, and your task types and domains registered. And then we do write that as hashes onto the blockchain and make it immutable and auditable. This is how the SanctifAI Trust extension works. Obviously, there's a lot to it. If you're interested, learn more, ping us on any of our channels. Come to sanctifai.com/trust and meet us there. Trust, but verify.